Hi there, my name is Barbara. I'm having so much fun out here. You know what? It's a lot of fun to go RVing. You meet nice people, you go different places. It's terrific. I hope you guys get yourself a trailer and bring one in for us too. This is a nice little unit that I'm going to talk about today. It's a 221 RBS. It's a nice aluminum cage trailer that has a lot in a little. So come on out and take a look at it. We're going to go inside and show you the features and benefits, which are many. Thank you. So this is the inside of the 21 RBSS. What a super nice floor plan. It's only 21 feet, a little bit longer than that if you count the tongue. It's got a beautiful floor plan. It's got a king bed in it with massive storage underneath. It's got a lovely little sofa, nice little slide out, lots and lots of storage. It's got a great big farm sink and an oven, a microwave. Really, really nice. Beautiful bathroom. A lot of times you get a small bathroom. It's got a great big refrigerator in here. It's got a great big pantry. It's got what they call King Kong storage outside. Thank you so much for coming out and spending some time and listening to my little jibber jabber. I am really, really tickled that you took the time to look at this video, and I hope that you sincerely call me. I always answer my phone, you guys. I take care of my families. I love what I do, and I want to make it a terrific experience. So my name is Barb, and my phone number is 541-521-4232.